Raphael, a bright and ambitious student, had his heart set on getting into one of the most prestigious high schools in the country. He studied day and night, sacrificing social events and pouring his energy into every textbook. He was confident his hard work would pay off, and he would secure a spot at his dream school. But when the results were announced, he was placed in a small, local school in a quiet town that no one seemed to know. Raphael's world came crashing down. He felt like a complete failure. All his efforts, he thought, had been for nothing. His parents and loved teachers tried to comfort him, but their words couldn't mend his broken expectations. He couldn't shake the feeling of being a loser. Anyway, he decided to pursue his new school. On his first day at the new school, Raphael walked with his head down. The school was nothing like the one he had envisioned. The buildings were old, the field was small, and the classrooms seemed basic. He was ready to dislike everything about it. Yet, as the weeks passed, a change began to happen. He discovered that his new school had a brilliant and passionate mathematics and science teacher who encouraged hands-on projects. This teacher saw Raphael's potential and urged him to join the science club. Raphael, who was used to only studying from books, was amazed. He started building small robots and conducting fascinating experiments, discovering a passion he never knew he had. Because the school was small, the community was close-knit and supportive. Raphael made friends who pushed him to be a better student and a better person. He learned to play basketball and discovered a talent for drawing. He even started a student-led project to clean up the community, which became a huge success. By the time he finished high school, Raphael was no longer just a smart student. He was a leader, an innovator, and a well-rounded individual. He had a strong portfolio of projects, a network of incredible friends, and a new sense of purpose. He ended up getting a scholarship to a prestigious university abroad, where he pursued a degree in robotics and engineering. Years later, when Raphael looked back on his journey, he realized that his placement wasn't a mistake, it was a blessing in disguise. If he had gone to the school he initially wanted, he might have been just another good student in a sea of brilliant minds. He might have never discovered his love for robotics or developed the leadership skills that made him stand out. He learned that his path to greatness wasn't what he had planned, but it was exactly what he needed. If you share a similar story right now, then know that you are the next Raphael. Just pursue this new path, and some years back your story will inspire the generation by then. Remember, if your journey is not modeling someone, then you have check out what's not clicking well. Here are some lessons you can take away from this story. Lesson 1. Your path to greatness is your own. Raphael's story shows that there's no single path to success. He thought his only way to win was by going to a top-tier school. But his journey proved that greatness isn't found in a school's name. It's forged by embracing the opportunities where you are. Your placement isn't a dead end. It's a new starting line. The world is full of successful people who took unexpected routes. Lesson 2. Turn a setback into a strength. Raphael felt his placement was a failure, a loss. But he chose to see it as an opportunity. The smaller school allowed him to stand out and discover passions he never knew he had. It helped him become a leader and a well-rounded individual. What you might see as a disadvantage can be your greatest strength. Use this new environment to shine, build unique skills, and prove that you are not defined by a single test or placement. Lesson 3. Success is built, but not just given. Raphael's success wasn't handed to him, he built it. He took advantage of the passionate teacher, the supportive community, and the chance to start a project. The school provided the tools, but he did the work. Your new school is full of possibilities. It's up to you to be proactive, get involved, and make the most of what's around you. You're a winner because you have the power to create your own success story, no matter the starting point. If you have been motivated enough by this video, then like it, comment, subscribe, and share it with your friends who may need it. Thank you.